Hi, today we're going to be working on gutter. This is our Iron Man 5-inch, 6-inch combo gutter machine for K-gutter. It could be set and adjusted for either size. Like all gutter machines, you attach the tape measure to the end, run out your length, and you look on this very edge where the guillotine is, and when you hit your size, you stop the machine, pull the guillotine down and cut it. I like to leave the gutter left in the machine with the tape measure. Put a gutter bracket every 2 feet. I start a foot in from the edge, from the end of the gutter. So we're always working on odd numbers. On this job, we replaced the fascia board on a stable and a portion of the house that got hit by tree damage. So this is a 60-foot gutter length we're going to be repairing on the replacing on the house, and a 72-footer on the stable. We're preparing the stable by caulking and sealing off with latex caulk all the screw holes and scarf joints. Unfortunately, preparation on a job this big, they're 20-foot pick scaffolding setups on a 72-foot gutter length, is key instrument to success. A lot of careful measuring. I ran the gutter a little extra long. A foot or two is not going to kill you, but you don't want to throw away a 72-foot length of gutter.